Hi guys, we're back. This is that 2011 Impreza we're working on. I'm show you guys how to take this door apart. Starting with removing this master switch. If you happen to need a master switch, here's one right here. It's functional. There's a little clip right here. There's a number. There's a fill up in there. So take that out, and then you grab your flathead or your pick or whatever. There's a little tiny spot right here. Looks like someone's taken it off before. And then you can just oh, there he goes. This guy's a rough one. So you go ahead and unplug it here. Then unplug it here. There's your master switch.